page number 140 of your math textbook. Write date and classwork there, and we'll start solid shapes today. Okay, so yesterday we did plane shapes and today we are doing solid shapes. What is the difference between solid shapes and plane shapes? Is there anyone who can tell me what is the difference between plane shape and solid shapes? Or is there any child who wants to tell what are solid shapes? Children, you can use raise hand option and then you can tell what are solid shapes or what is the difference between solid shapes and plane shapes. Any one difference? Yes, Lohit, unmute yourself.
Plane shape has only sides.
What plane shapes have?
Plane shapes has only sides.
Plane shapes has only sides, okay. So you read this from book, huh? Okay, nice try, very good Lohit, at least you tried, very good. Okay, is there any other child? Lohit, very good. Yes, children. Is there anyone who wants to tell what is the difference between solid shapes and plane shapes? You can use raise hand option. Yes, Supratik, unmute yourself. Yes, tell me.
कौन मेहंदी कौन
Huh?
ఏమడిగిందిరా మామ ఏమడిగింది
Yes, Supratik.
మ్యామ్ వాట్ యు ఆస్క్ మ్యామ్
What is the difference between solid shapes and plane shapes? Any one difference, or what are solid shapes?
సాలిడ్ షిప్ అండ్ ప్లేన్ షిప్ అంటే చెప్పు మరి చెప్పు యూ కెన్ టెల్ ఆర్ నాట్ నో సే ఎస్ ఆర్ నో సే మ్యూట్ యువర్సెల్ఫ్ నో మ్యామ్
Okay, no problem, Supratik. Yeah, Akshaj. Yes, Akshaj.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me fast. Yes, Akshaj, I'm waiting.
plane shapes are solid, ma'am.
Plane shapes are solid. Okay. Anything else, Akshaj? Anything else, Akshaj? No? Okay. Yeah, is there any other child who wants to answer? Akshaj, you tried very good, but that is wrong. Plane shapes are not solid shapes. Yes, Lohit.
Solid shapes
Yes.
set face vertex.
Huh? Solid shapes?
Solid shapes has edge, face, vertex.
Okay. Can you tell me what? Okay, Lohit, can you tell me what is an edge in solid shape? Okay, children, fine. Good try. Good try, everyone. Not everyone, actually, only 2-3 children tried. Okay, so now listen. Plane shapes and solid shapes are not same. Okay, solid shapes are different, plane shapes are different, but what is the difference? See, yesterday we learned about plane shapes. Plane shapes are like triangle, square, rectangle, oval, circle. right? All those shapes are plane shapes. And cube, you can see here, cube, cuboid, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. All these shapes are solid shapes. Okay, fine, we can look at the picture and we can tell that this is a cone, this is a cylinder, this is a sphere. But what is the difference? Cube looks like a square, cuboid looks like a rectangle, right? Cone looks like a triangle, sphere looks like a circle. But what is the difference then? See here, children, the most important difference is that you cannot touch planes, I mean, you cannot feel plane shapes, but you can feel solid shapes. If you will hold these solid shapes in your hand, like you have your compass box, your pencil box, that is a solid shape. Your books, your notebooks, your pencil, your eraser, your sharpener, all these are solid shapes. Even if you will close your eyes and if you will touch them, you can feel their shape, and you can, even by closing your eyes, you can tell what is the shape of that object. So if you can close your eyes and you can identify the shape of an object, this means that shape is a solid shape. That shape is a solid shape. But if you will look at a plane shape and even if you will touch it, you cannot recognize its shape, right? Suppose you are holding your book, right? Children, hold your book in your hand. Everyone hold your book in your hand and turn on your cameras. Lohit, yeah, very good. Close your book and then hold it in your hand. Any notebook or anything you can hold. Okay, and I request all the children to close your eyes now, and then try to feel its shape, touch its corners, edges, everything, and then try to feel it. Even if you will hold a ball in your hand, children, then also you can feel its shape, right? You can feel and identify that yes, it is a cuboid. Your book is in shape of a cuboid, right? You can touch it and you can feel its shape, right? So solid shapes are, solid means something which you can hold and feel. Solid means any object or anything which you can hold in your hand and you can feel even if you will close your eyes, right? So solid shapes, you can identify. Solid shapes are those shapes which you can identify even if your eyes are closed. Okay, okay children, so this is the difference between solid shapes and plane shape. This is the one difference. And what are the other differences? See, solid shapes have edge, vertex, face, but plane shapes have, they have only sides and corners. Sides and corners. Okay, sides and corners we learned yesterday. So today we learn what are faces, edges and vertices of a plane, sorry, of a solid shape. Of a solid shape, children. Okay, but first you have to give me few examples of shapes. Okay, so I'll ask you one by one. You all know by looking at the picture, you all can tell that yes, this is a cube, this is a cuboid, right? So now you have to give me one example of each shape. And now I'll start asking. Hanvika, you give me any one example of cube. One by one I will ask everyone.
Cubes have four sides.
No, give me one example of any object which is in shape of cube. Cuboid, any one example? Cylinder. Anvika, unmute yourself and give me any one example of cylinder at least. No. Meghna.
Sir.
Meghna, you give me any one example of cube.
Sorry, sir. బిజీ ఏం కాదు, క్లాస్ నడుస్తుంది ఆన్లైన్.
Dhriti Reddy, you tell me. Dhriti Reddy, unmute yourself. Tanishka, unmute yourself. Yeah, give me any one example of cube. Any one example. Any object which is in shape of a cube. Okay, children. You are not giving an example. Okay, fine. So I'll give you a few example and then I'll ask you. See you. Okay. Wait, two participants raising. Yeah, Aaron, yes.
Ma'am, I will say.
Tell then. Give me one example.
Ma'am, which shape example?
Cube.
Dial box.
Huh?
Dial box.
Cube, I said, Aaron, not cuboid. Cube.
Dice box.
Dice. Okay, dice. Okay, that's correct. Very good. Dice is the example of cube and box is an example of
Cube.
cuboid. Okay, nice try. Very good. Yes, Krishika?
Ma'am, I want to tell answer.
Then tell fast. Give me one example of cube.
Eraser, ma'am.
Huh?
Eraser.
Eraser is an example of cube or cuboid?
Cuboid, ma'am.
Yeah, that's correct. Eraser is an example of cuboid. Very good. Well tried. Yes, Lohit? Yeah.
Ball.
Huh?
Ball and cube.
Ball.
Spear means ball and lead.
Okay. Very good. Nice. That's good. Yeah, Shri Hassan.
Ma'am, textbook is cuboid.
Textbook is cuboid. Very good. Well tried. Very good. Yes, Akshat.
Ma'am, cube means it will be like a cube, ma'am, which we play.
Yeah, so it is an example of cube. Very good. Very good. Okay, children, well tried. So now listen to me. Cube, example of cubes are, example of cube shape. Ice cube is there, dice, which you are using while playing Ludo, or Akshat said that cube, you are playing with it, right? So these are example of cube. And cuboid example, your textbook, your notebook, all these are examples of cuboid. Your textbook, your notebook, your compass box, or any other box in which you are keeping your toys, right? So all these are examples of cuboid. And cylinder, your pencil, pen, this is an example of cylinder shape. Okay, your water bottle is in cylindrical shape. And example of cone shape, your birthday cap, right? You all are wearing birthday cap or ice cream cone. These are example of cone. And example of sphere is, Lohit said laddu. That's correct. Laddu is there, your football, your basketball, or any other ball. So all these are examples of sphere. Okay. So these are few examples of solid shapes, right? So now what we have to do is, now we are going to learn what are faces, edges, and vertices of any solid shape. Okay. So now see here. Children, look in your book very carefully. Okay, and look and keep on looking at screen also simultaneously. So see here, you can see wooden block is there. You can see this brown color wooden block in your book on page number 140. So with the help of this picture, we'll try to understand what is an edge, face, and vertex of a solid shape. Okay, so a plane surface of the solid shape, a plane surface of the solid object, a plane surface of the solid object is called its face. Plane surface means you all can see here. I'll try to show you with my book. Okay, so now see here children. You all have your book in your hand, right? You all have your book in your hand. So this plane surface, can you all see this? You all have your book in your hand, right? Hold your book in your hand, children, and see. I'm showing you my book. You can take any other book. So this is the plane surface of your book, right? This is the plane surface of your solid. This is the plane surface of your book. So this is known as the face of your book, or you can say this is known as the face of your solid object. Okay, any plane surface from back side also, this is also known as the face of your solid object, or you can say this is the face of this cuboid, because your book is in cuboid shape, right? So this is the face of your cuboid. This also, this side, look here, this side is also known as the face of your book, face of your book. Okay, okay children. So any object, you may have your pencil box in your hand, so it is also plane surface, so that is known as the face of that object, that is known as the face of that object. Okay, fine. So this is known as the face of that object, right? So now if I want to count how many face this book have, so how we will count? Look here children, and you have to look here and then start counting with me. One, then two, back side two, okay, then this side three, then here four, okay, then this side, this is the fifth face, five, and from this side six. So how many flat faces? Flat means straight. So how many flat faces cuboid has? A cuboid has six flat faces. A cuboid has how many flat faces? Six flat faces. Okay, so this is known as flat face of a cuboid. Okay, plane surface, right? So how many flat faces a cuboid has? A cuboid has six flat faces. Okay children, next is our edge. Next is our edge. So now what is an edge? The line where two faces meet is an edge. Means, see here children, look here. This is one face, okay, and downside there is one face. So both these faces, this face and this face, both these faces are meeting here. Yes, I'm meeting here at this line, right? So this line where two faces of any object meets is known as edge, is known as edge. Again I'm repeating, the line where two faces, one face is this and second face is this one, and they are meeting at this point, at this line. The line where two faces of any object meets is known as edge, is known as edge. Okay, so how many edges are there in this book? We'll start counting now. See here children, count with me. Okay, so one, this is one, okay, then this side two, then three, okay, then four, the small one five, then six, okay, then we'll come this side, seven, eight, then this one nine, then 10, 11, and last one 12. So how many edges are there in a solid, in a cuboid? There are 12 edges in a cuboid. Okay, so how many edges? 12 edges in a cuboid. Next is our vertices. Now what are vertices? The point where the edges meet is called a, the point where the edges meet is called a vertex. Like we have corners in plane shape. In a similar way, we have vertex in solid shape. So how many vertices are there? How many vertices are there? See here, children, we'll start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So how many vertices are there in a cuboid? There are 8 vertices in a cuboid. How many vertices? 8 vertices in a cuboid. Okay. So this is how you are going to count face, vertex, and edge of any solid shape. Okay. Okay, children. So again, I'll repeat that a plane surface of any solid object is called its face, and the line where two faces meet is known as its edge. You can look on your screen. Yes, and the point where the edges meet, where two edges meet, is known as vertex, okay. So edges are very much like sides, like we have sides in plane shapes. In a similar way, we have edges in solid shapes, and vertices are like corners. We have corners in plane shape, and in a similar way, we have vertices in solid shapes. Okay, children. So this was about cuboid, that a cuboid has 6 flat faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices, right? So next, now we have different shapes here. So now what we will do, we will see how many edges and how many vertices and faces different solid shapes have. Okay. So now come to page number 141, children, and you can see a table is there. There's one table. Okay, so now we have to look at that table, right? And then we'll start. So your first shape, your first object is a birthday cap or an ice cream cone, right? So now, okay, we all know that its shape is cone. What is the shape of a birthday cap or ice cream cone? Cone shape. So now we have to count how many flat face, how many face, edge, and vertices are there. So now see here, children. In a cone, there is one flat face, one curved face, one edge, and one vertex. So now see here. Look here, children. So this is the flat space. This is the flat face of this cone. Then, okay, so this is the curved face of this cone. Then you have edge. You have only one edge here. You can see here that these two faces are meeting here at this point. So there is only one edge and only one vertex here. Okay, so a cone has one flat face, one curved face, one edge, and one vertex. Next we have cylinder. Candle is there and pen is there. So their shape is cylindrical. So now we'll count their face. So there are two flat faces. See here, one face is here. This is your second face, second flat face. Okay, so two flat faces. And this you can see here, this is known as your curved face. This one is known as your curved face. So a cylinder has only one curved face and two flat faces. Then you have two edges. See here, children. This is your first edge and this is your second edge. Okay. And there is no vertex in cylinder. So there are 0 vertices. Okay. Then next is your cuboid. Just now we have counted. So there are 6 flat faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices in a cuboid. In a similar way, Cube has 6 flat faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cube and cuboid are very much same. The only difference is that in a cuboid, length is not same, but in a cuboid cuboid looks like a square, so all its edges are of equal length. Okay, right? So in a cuboid, in a cube also there are 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 vertices in a cuboid. And how many flat faces? 6 flat faces. One is this one. 1, 2, then 3 this downside, then front 4, 5 and backside 6. 6 flat faces. And how many edges? 12 edges. We'll count. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So how many edges are there in a cube? 12 edges are there in a cube. Okay. And now sphere is left. Okay. So in a sphere, there is only one curved face. There is only one curved face. There is one curved face and there is no edge and no vertex in a sphere. There is no edge. You can see here these sphere. There is no point where this curved face is meeting. There is only one face, right? And edge is a point where two faces are meeting, but there is only one face, so there is no edge and there is no vertex also. Okay. So a sphere has one curved face, no edge and no vertex, or you can say there is zero edge or zero vertex in a sphere. Fine, children. Okay. So now children, come to page number 142. Open page number 142 quickly. Open page number 142. Yes, children, page number 142. Write date in classwork there. Page number 142. Page number 142 quickly. Write date in classwork there. Okay, so now your first question is, I am a plane shape. I have 3 corners and 3 sides. Who am I? Yes, now who is going to tell me? It is I am a plane shape. I have 3 corners. It's a plane shape. It has 3 corners and 3 sides. Which shape is this? Yes, Aslan.
Triangle.
Very good. Yes, children, this is the right answer. Very good, Aslan. This is triangle. They said that it is a plane shape and it has 3 sides and 3 corners. So triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners and it's a plane and it is a plane shape. So we will write here triangle. And children, please write correct spelling. So this is triangle, children. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners and it is a plane shape. Very good. Next one. Second question, second bit. I am a plane shape. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. I am a plane shape. I have 4 sides and 4 corners. All my sides are equal. Who am I? All its sides are equal. Yes, Aaron?
Square.
Very good. Yes, children, it's a square. If there is anyone who wants to answer, you can use raise hand option. Okay, yes, it's a square. Very good. So second one is square, children, because a square is a plane shape and all its sides are equal, and it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Very good. It's a square. Yes. Third one. Third one. And children, keep on writing and please write correct spelling. I am a solid shape. The shoe box looks like me. Who am I? I am a solid shape. It's a solid shape and a shoe box looks like me. Yes, Shri Hassan, tell me.
Cuboid, ma'am.
Cuboid, okay. Yes, Ashita?
Ma'am, it's rectangle.
No, that's wrong, Ashita. It's a solid shape. Yes, Shri Hassan, you told correct. That's the right answer. See, children, they said it's a solid shape. So, it means this is a cuboid. It's a cuboid. So, write the cuboid. And please write correct spelling. Yes, children, write down. And yes. Yes, Devansh. And children, yeah, again I'm repeating this thing. That this time, if once you'll press back button while giving your GA, you won't be able to write that exam again. So be careful while giving your GA this time. Okay? You won't be able to give that exam again. Again, I'm repeating, do not press back button while giving your GA. Again, I'm repeating this thing. And be careful.